Hey everybody, welcome to the Dustopper shop. My name's John, and this is just a quick how-to on setting up your Dustopper in under a minute straight out of the box. So a quick look at what comes along in the box. You've got your 90-degree elbow, your 2.5-inch diameter hose, and the Dustopper itself. You'll take the Dustopper in a 5-gallon bucket, pop it on top, take your 90-degree elbow, add it to the hose, and then this will go on top. This hose is going to be the hose that you will then connect to your shop vac. And your shop vac's hose is going to go in the front of the Dustopper. So move this here real quick. We'll connect to this guy right here. And that's it. There you go. Hopefully this is helpful. And that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by. Now go out there and make some dust.